Hi everybody, my name's Alex and I'm going to do a quick demo of a program that I wrote. So essentially what it does is it will take the 20 components of the Dow Jones Transport Index. It will calculate the indicative net asset value of that index at any point in time given the current price of those components, and then it will compare that value to the index's value as reported by Yahoo Finance. So let's go ahead and see how this runs. So first what we're going to do is open up a Jupyter notebook, and just one second. Okay, there it is. Alright, so we have a few files here. This main Jupyter notebook file is what's going to cycle through our list of stocks, get the data, and write it to a database. And this utils file is what's going to allow us to write SQL queries and get this data and then save it to an Excel format. Okay, so let's just see how this runs. So we have this file here, and what it's going to do is it's just each second it's going to loop over the list of stocks, get the data, get the index value, and then write it to our database. So let's go ahead and run it. Okay, so as we see here, these values that keep coming in are exactly the same. That's because the market's closed, considering it's almost 11 o'clock at night. But when we run it during the day, when the market's open, of course these values would be different for each cycle. So now if we go ahead and stop this and then head on over to the utils file. Okay, so so we have this SQL value here, and we can basically write any query in there. So for example, we want to see everything from the from our data where the difference is greater than, let's just say, three points. So if we go ahead and and then also we want to save it to a CSV file. Okay, so we go ahead and run this. Okay, done. So now if we open up Excel, okay, there it is. So all of our data is there, and now we can go ahead and put it into a pivot table or do any other kind of analysis on it. And as we see here, these queries were run earlier in the day, so the iNAV and the market index values are different because the market was open at the time. Okay, so that's basically it. So it's a fairly simple program. It just meant to be a demo of what could be done, and of course more complex functionality can be added to it as well. So all of the code is available on the GitHub profile, and a link to it is in the comments below. Feel free to shoot me a message or a comment, and I'm definitely looking forward to hearing some feedback on it. Thanks a lot.